Rolling out the head and the skull is such a great way to alleviate headache tension. So let's start by bringing the roller back behind our neck like a neck pillow. Let your nose point toward the sky naturally and start to turn your head from side to side. And then turn that more into a figure 8 movement, arcing the back of your skull over the back of your roller to work through the base of your skull where your neck comes and meets it. We've already done the jaw technique, so we're just going to go straight to the skull. Turn yourself to one side and bring the roller underneath your temple, right next to your eye, and start to nod your head up and down. You can let the roller roll across your skin, or maybe you pin the skin down with the roller and move your head around so that you're moving the skin on top of the bones. Start to get really generous with your movement, rocking your skull up toward the sky, rocking your eyebrow down into the roller. And then find a spot somewhere along this line that needs just a little more attention. Make smaller movements. Find some stillness. Get really heavy and take a breath. Imagine you can expand your skull into where it's contacting the roller. And exhale, let the roller absorb. Keep your roller right here on your skull. And before you transition to the other side, you're going to roll back, grab onto the edges of your roller, just make sure you're stabilizing it, and then start to nod your head up and down. Let the roller cruise over the back of your skull. Keep your chin lifted and turn your gaze again from side to side. Do the other side of your head on your temple. And then when you've done both sides, roll onto your front side. Come into a child's pose and drape your forearms over the roller. Rest your forehead on top of it. Start to nod your head down, up, side to side. Combine those two movements, making big Charlie Brown zigzags across your forehead. And then when that feels complete, settle the roller right in the center of your forehead. Some may call this the third eye. Imagine with your eyes closed that you can look at that spot from the inside out. And then take a big, magnificent breath into that spot. Exhale, let it go. One more time. Inhale, expand the front of your forehead wide open. And release. Connect your chin to your chest. Roll through. And thank yourself for rolling out your skull with me today.